All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we talk about a 2023 Fisker Ocean. Let's talk about that right now. All right, forget about the Karma. This is the one that you want. The Fisker Ocean is a brand new SUV. This thing comes with all kinds of bells and whistles. Most importantly, though, let's talk about price. $37,500 for the starting front-wheel drive model. That will give you 275 horsepower and 250 miles of range. Seems to beat the competition on range, seems to beat the competition on price, seems to beat the competition on horsepower. Seems to be pretty competitive. So I like it, as long as it's reliable. Again, forget the Karma. Now the all-wheel drive model is going to be called the Ultra. This thing's going to cost $49,000, 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds, and have 340 miles of range. That's the one I want. If I were to buy one, this thing looks like a cross between a Range Rover and a Jaguar. This thing looks amazing. Interior, exterior, I love the way this thing looks. Again, I just hope that it's reliable. Again, forget about the Karma. So let's go ahead and look at the Extreme. The Extreme is the fully loaded model, $68,000, 350 miles of range, 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds. Not bad. So for me, again, that happy medium, I would go for the Ultra. I really like that $49,000 price. Love the 340 miles of range. Oh man, would I especially like 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds? Come on, driving around town looking like that. And then you have the Ocean, the back lights up, the front lights up, the interior's got some cool little tidbits. It has stuff for your dog, so the windows will roll down, but not so much where the dog can't jump out, but enough for them to breathe. There's all kinds of fun little things that are inside here. Which model of the Fisker Ocean would you buy, or would you buy something else? My name's Eric, this is Cruise Control. Thank you for watching.